Hi everybody, my name is Lou Grandy. Welcome to my personal rehab. I've been a personal trainer for well over 20 years, as well as a state and national powerlifting champ. I was #1 in the country in the deadlift and 20 pounds away from a world record while I was on the way to the gym and got hit on a head-on collision by a drunk driver. This opened my eyes to a lot of things. #1, being able to elude surgeries even after specialists told me that I had no other choice. They wanted to remove discs out of my back. And also, what this site is all about, when they see rehab, they think about drug rehabilitation. That's not what it's about. In America today, I'm 47 years old, there's people my age and people older than me and people younger than me that are coming down with all types of ailments, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, antidepressant, attention deficit disorder. They've put a name on everything now. Unfortunately, the pharmaceutical companies are running the country. These young doctors out of med school, God bless them for doing all the work they've done to become doctors. But the bottom line is this. You give them a symptom, they give you a pill. The insurance companies don't pay them the proper amount of money to evaluate or diagnose you properly. Therefore, they give you a pill to block the problem, to mask it, or to just find something that will work on you. And if it doesn't work, you'll just keep going back and they'll just keep giving you different pills. It's absolutely ridiculous. And what I'm here to talk about and teach you about is something that no other trainer has ever done. Everybody needs a personal trainer as a motivator, but what you need more so than that is to change your lifestyle. And there's the reason that I've created what you call a personal rehab is because there's no one thing that's going to change your life. There's no one supplement or one program that's going to work for everybody. We're all different. We all have different metabolisms. We all have different blood types, different chemistries, body chemistries, and we all come from different ethnic backgrounds, which makes a huge difference. Bad habits from our families that we grew up with. And what's happened is over the years, is the white sugar cheeseburgers and fries, unfortunately, that I grew up on, at my age now, is starting to cause ailments, such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and like I said, they even have our young kids and college kids on Ritalin for attention deficit disorder. It's ridiculous. Look at the commercials on television. They don't even tell you what the pill does. They just tell you a bunch of side effects to cover their ass. It's getting out of hand, everybody, and it's time to come back to reality. The worst one of all is the antidepressant drugs. These doctors have people thinking that the problems are within yourself. There's nothing even wrong with you. It's the lifestyle you live in. We have no choice but to live the way we were brought up, and you need to have somebody like me to open your eyes to what things that are going on around you. What's happened over the time is people have become accustomed to eating at these fast food restaurants and eating certain foods, and there's so many contributing factors and there's so many variables, like I said, because of your ethnic background and things that you're used to, and depending whether you have any existing injuries or you've had surgeries in the past, or there's doctors that are telling you you need surgeries now. The only real doctors out there are doctors that have been practicing for 30 or 40 years, and through trial and error, they really know what works. Again, these young doctors out of med school, they're taught a protocol. You give them a symptom, here's a pill. What I want to do for you is give you a membership and work with you. What I have and what I'm offering is a one-on-one consultation over the telephone or through emails. And this is what I refer to as no-limit phone consultation. You can call me as many times as you want between 5 a.m. and midnight Eastern Time. And I will give you, if I can't help you, I surely have the resources to do so. There's a lot of stuff for me to teach you, and I've broken it up into 4 videos. This way you can focus on what it is that I'm trying to teach you and comprehend it. And once you implement what I have to teach you and things that I've implemented to bring me to the top, you'll find that your quality of life will be increased dramatically. And I guarantee I'll add more self-esteem and give you more self-confidence than you've ever had in your life. I just want to make a short comparison here, and then I'm going to let you go. Okay, you ready? Two reasons I played that. Number one, to show you I have a little talent. And number two, to make my comparison. The holes on a harmonica are very small. My point is this. I don't have time to think about that note before I play it. It comes so quick, I have to do it instinctively. And if we can apply those methods to everyday living when we're trying to function, especially while under pressure, you'll find that your instinctive decisions are the ones that are going to allow you to succeed. But you need to learn how to trust in yourself. And these are where my methods are going to come into play and change your life. Good luck, everybody, and God bless. I hope the best for everybody. If you don't buy my videos, at least drop me an email. I'll send you a newsletter with some cutting-edge information on alternative medicine, and this will help you immensely. In my videos, there's a lot of stuff to teach, and there's too much for me to get into on this video right here. I've already went way too long. This is just a little sample and something to kind of let people know what my video is all about. And this is something we all need. It's 2006, and we need to come back to reality and get off all these pharmaceuticals and get our minds working again. Again, everyone, good luck and God bless. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.